Hello, my name is Maggie Peard, and I'm the town's Sustainability and Resilience Officer. I will be speaking tonight about Article 7, a funding request for sustainable capital projects. This article marks the start of a sustainable capital program, which will be used going forward to request funds for various sustainability projects in town. In the long term, establishing this capital program will allow staff to act more quickly and responsibly on sustainability-related projects that arise and ultimately advance Lexington's climate goals. It will allow for greater coordination across town departments on sustainability projects as well. This year, we are requesting $65,000 for an additional electric vehicle charger at the town offices and a solar feasibility assessment at Lincoln Park. So part of these funds would be used to purchase and install an additional electric vehicle charging station behind the town offices. The town's fleet electrification policy is driving a transition of town fleet vehicles to electric models. As we continue to support and further prepare for that transition, we need to ensure that we have sufficient charging infrastructure. Looking at the current parking locations of existing town electric vehicles and the expected upcoming EV purchases, the town offices has been identified as the highest need location to support staff charging. This appropriation would cover the charging equipment and all of the installation costs. The funds requested also leave a bit of flexibility to install an additional charger if the need arises at another town or school building in the short term. The rest of the funds would be used to complete a solar feasibility assessment at Lincoln Park. The request for doing a solar feasibility study came out of community outreach for the Lincoln Park master planning process led by the Recreation Department. The assessment would support ongoing efforts and goals, including stated priorities in the town's climate action and resilience plan, to maximize solar generation on town property wherever feasible. The study would evaluate the feasibility of solar installations at Lincoln Park, identifying the most favorable locations and giving special attention to any potential limitations posed by the fact that Lincoln Park is built on a capped land. Results from the assessment would be incorporated into design plans for an upcoming parking lot reconfiguration project at Lincoln Park that was brought forward through safety concerns of the Transportation Safety Group and visitors to the park. This appropriation would only fund the assessment itself. Funding for the actual installation of solar would be included in the capital request for the parking lot project coming in the next few years. In summary, this article requests a $65,000 appropriation to support the town's transition to electric vehicles and advancement of renewable energy installations. Thank you for your consideration, and I look forward to answering any questions you may have.